So if you want to know something that's well loved in my house, it is this Dreft Laundry Stain Remover. This was actually recommended to me by my sisters-in-law who have a little older kids than me, and it's been used ever since. So this one, as you can see, I'm almost done. This was bought by myself, and then this one was so kindly gifted from the brand, and this is kind of like a daily driver. I use this every week when I'm using laundry. As you can tell, we're almost done, and I'm so happy to have another because this is really just something that I didn't think it would work so well, but after seeing how many stains it removes, this is kind of a must. So what I love it too, it works well with all temperatures. So I love to run my clothes kind of cold, especially want to save on like energy, and I feel like it preserves the clothes better. This really like is great for like my skin. I do have some kids with some like sensitive skin, and this really helps with that because this is hyperallergenic. This is made with 49% plant ingredients. And this is such a gentle cleansing, but a strong cleanser. I will spray this on and it will get rid of any stains that I have. This works well with all color fabrics. This is great, especially on like tough stains and odors. As you can see, it's well used and well loved for a reason. So if you're looking for a stain remover, this is